What's the answer now? Ready for the answer? What's the answer? Marlon, Peter, Dejanoe, Dejanoe.
Yes, miss.
What's the answer?
Miss, I don't have an answer. Miss, I couldn't hear you for the first part because I don't know what happened to the audio. I just fixed it a while ago.
Okay, I wasn't saying nothing much more than you're going to be the host in a few minutes, but I'm asking now, what's the answer for the question?
I don't have an answer for the question, miss.
Peter, Peter, what's the answer for the question, honey? Hmm? Why am I not hearing Peter?
Because Miss, I don't know. Miss, I don't know the answers.
Marlon, what's the answer? Marlon, send the questions in the group. Dejanoe, you're now the host. All right, so your question said describe fully the transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. When you look at this, the first thing that you're trying to figure out if it's a reflection. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. I think this is it is a reflection, but where's the mirror line? Oh, the mirror line is right here. 1, 2. Is it right here? Is it halfway between? All right, let's see where the mirror line is. Does that look like the mirror line?
No, miss.
Why no?
Miss, I don't think that's the mirror.
Mirror line is always halfway in between. So let's see if it's halfway too. So that's one step. So that's one step, 2 step, 2.5. Next one is, this is half right here. And then this is 1 step. And then the blue, that's 2 steps. So it's 2.5 on both sides. So the mirror line is that line right in the middle coming down. All right, so it was reflected
0.5 minutes.
over the line. What's this line called? This is which line?
Which line? Which was it happening?
This line.
The mirror line, miss.
Yeah, what is it?
Like which app? Or like where it's reflected? Reflecting. The action.
Or what is the name of that line? Like y equal or x equal?
Miss Y? No. Miss X equal 0.5.
X, go again.
X equal 0.5, miss.
X equals 0.5. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to write down this now. So we're going to write in our answer. So see if we can make the numbers smaller. So this is a reflection. And how we know that it's a reflection? The first thing that you're going to think of is that I've taught you translation already, right? Translation, it does slide. But here, you don't just see it being slide, but you realize that there's a flip to it. So reflection is a flip, right? So you know that this is a reflection by looking at it, right? If it was a translation, both of them would be facing the same way to an extent. Yeah, facing the same way. So rotation, translation is a slide. You slide in it. Reflection now, it flips. So there's some form of flipping happening, right? So if you look, then this was facing that way, the triangle was facing that way, now it flips facing the left. All right, so this is a reflection. So describe fully the single transformation. So this, so you could start by saying this transformation is a reflection. That's 1 mark stating that it's a reflection. And you need to state the line that is reflected in the line. Which line is it reflected into? X equal 0.5. So you make that statement, and that's it. That's the 2 marks. All right, Dejanoe, did you see the question that I placed in the group?
Miss. Miss, the object is reflected in the y-axis.
It's not the y-axis. It's the line x equals 0. What it's reflected in is whatever is halfway between the two. So that's what it's reflected in. So what I'm looking at, I look at this diagram and say, oh, what is halfway between? Which line is there halfway between? What's the mirror line?
Yes, miss, that's what
So
I know.
So that's why you see me do the steps to see that, oh, it is this line looks like it's exactly between the two. So it must be exactly between the two. So
yes,
each
miss,
must be the same distance from it. Go ahead with the question, honey.
Miss, I know, miss, I was talking, but I had to, I wasn't hearing you, miss, and I didn't think you were here. And that's why I exited and rejoined. Because I'm trying to say it was 0.5.
I make Marlon co-host Dejanoe.
Miss, Miss, when like say object A, like say object B was under object A, miss, it would have been the y-axis, miss.
It would have been a reflection in some y something. Y equals something, but you could just say y-axis. If it was directly here, let me show you what would be y-axis. And you could say the y-axis, or you could say the line y equals 0. Both of them is the same thing. So if the object was, for instance, right here, then you could have said it's a reflection in the y-axis, because it would have been equal distance apart. So let's look at the distance that it would have been. This is one from that, from one step. Also, this is one step from the y-axis. So that tells me that the y-axis is my mirror line. And we can look at the other points too to be sure. That's one step. That's one step. Oh, these points are one step away from the mirror line. So I know that the y-axis is, it's not the y-axis, the x-axis. Sorry, why am I saying y-axis? X-axis. So this is the x-axis, or it is the line y equal 0. Why is it the line y equals 0? Because every point on this line, the value of y is 0.
Mr.
You understand me? So the y-axis is the same. So the y-axis, the x-axis is the line y equals 0. And the y-axis is the line x equals 0. Because every point, hello, because every point on it is 0. Go ahead, Marlon.
Miss you see my camera, miss, you see the graphics I'm
Hold on,
showing?
let me pin it. Let me stop sharing and pin it. Hold on, let me just pin it so you can stay right here. Oh, you pin it already. Okay, thank you.
Miss this is reflect, this is the y-axis, miss. Miss, you just,
Well, I told you from the other day that this that you did was incorrect. Why didn't you change this?
Miss, you told me?
Yes, I did, and we went through this and it was incorrect. The reflection that you did wasn't done properly.
I'm sorry.
So you need to just draw a line through that so you don't go back to that paper at all, because the reflection wasn't done based on the question that was given. Because you should have been reflecting over the line y equal 1, and none of those reflection is over the line. Let me look at that. It's not being reflected over the line y equal 1. So you should be reflecting over the line y equal 1, and then the line
y equal 1, Mr. This man. So you line here, miss.
Hold on, man. Where's the question? Do you have a question? Where's the question?
Miss, I have to look at it. Miss wasn't this
Hold on, Marlon.
Miss, see the y equal 1, isn't it up here, so miss?
That's not the line y equal 1. Oh, hold on. Yes. Yeah, it's y equal 1. Yes, correct.
But I see, I reflect, I'm sorry, see there, miss. I reflected from here, miss, says this is 1 down and this is
yeah,
1
but
down.
you're supposed to have 2 reflections. So one of those reflections is incorrect because one of them is over the line y equal 1, and the next reflection is supposed to be for some x value. Where's the question, honey?
Yes,
Let's see if I find the question.
he was saying the third question was saying that I must reflect r prime.
Hold on, I'm not seeing. Go again.
She was saying like first I must reflect this object, miss r qp.
Yes,
Then I
yes.
reflect
Okay, thanks.
and then I must reflect this one now, the r prime and the r prime, q prime, and p prime. And I reflect it, miss.
Well, where must you reflect that one?
Said,
R prime, P prime, Q prime.
The x-axis, miss.
In the x-axis. It
Yes,
couldn't be
miss.
the x-axis. It must be the
X
line
equal
x
2.
equals 0.
Name.
It must be the line x equals 0. Could it be the x-axis? What did the question say? Did it say the x-axis or the line x equals 0?
I don't find it. It was sharing it transparent. I didn't. I don't think I read it.
All right, I want you to always write your questions so we can go back to them when we have this kind of discussion and when you're revising. Okay, honey?
Yes, miss.
All right. So we're gonna move on.
So this is incorrect, miss?
Yes.
We're gonna move on to enlargement.
So then check out the questions and screenshot. So you can show about the questions and screenshot it.
I cannot share. Dejanoe, allow me to share, please.
Try it now, miss.
Thank you, darling. All right, there it is. So we're doing enlargement. And this is going to be our first question. So it said, name the shape drawn on the grid. Yeah. So it said, name the shape drawn on the grid. Zay? Why are you mocking me?
It's an octagon.
Hmm?
It's an octagon.
What's this saying?
What is it?
Octagon.
What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's an octagon. All right, good. Next question, on the grid, enlarge the shape using a scale factor of 2. So scale factor would be like ratio. You want those to cover plastic wrap. So scale factor would be like ratio. So we're doing enlargement. So I want you to draw that one on your graph paper. Dejanoe, Dejanoe have a graph book. Did you get your graph paper, Peter?
Yes, miss. My sister did have it.
All right. So do the drawing of the diagram perfectly with a ruler.
morning to everyone joining on YouTube. Welcome to Mathematics Resource Center. Today we are looking at enlargement. So you want to say hello to my students?
Hello. Everybody okay?
Yes.
Yes, we are okay.
Yeah, my students said yes, they are okay.
Don't worry, everybody pass. With me, everybody pass.
Hey, hello, Jose.
Hello.
Hi.
I got the phone.
Their camera is off. Right.
I mean, like, what do you call it? No problem.
It's CSEC. They're preparing for their exams next month. Like GCSE.
I tell you, this sound. If let us go out, you don't wish to pass on your day. Yeah?
If what?
Never mind. So what about that?
What is that?
And English supposed to be great. No, they after with the hate, he will make.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know when you finish drawing.
So, miss, to enlarge it, miss, just cut like 2 lines of the original shape that you draw, miss, the enlarge it, miss.
Go again, honey.
To enlarge the shape, miss, you want to like simple as draw like cut like 2 lines to enlarge it, miss, cause it's the enlarge shape by using a scale factor of 2. So is it that we're
Yes,
going to
your diagram is going to be twice the size. So scale factor of 2 means that the diagram is going to be twice the size. So for the top part there where it is only 1 centimeter, then when you're doing a diagram, right?
Yes, miss.
It's supposed to be 2 centimeters. So you're gonna go 2 boxes. Is that my pen ain't working as I want it to work. So it's gonna go 2 boxes. How do you get the lines on this one? I don't know. So it's supposed to go 2 boxes. Do yours, someone do theirs, and then I'll tell you if it's correct. So each of the,
Miss, do it on the screen.
yeah, you can do it on the screen, but I want to see it on your paper as well. So each
Okay.
aspect is supposed to go to.
Miss, we can draw it anywhere on the graph.
Yeah, it doesn't matter where you put it. Just make sure you have enough space. So just know that wherever you're putting it, there's enough space to hold it. Else you're gonna need to erase and start again, which would make me miserable. And I know it would definitely make you miserable. Anyone finish?
Not as yet, Miss. The same thing that you said is the same thing reached me, and I had to start over.
Yes, I'm finished.
All right, so go ahead and share your. So you're gonna turn your. Oh, you're using a computer, ain't you? Hold on, give me a second. Peter.
Oh, yeah, with the stand.
Yes. Repeat, miss.
Miss, if you're speaking, your mic is muted.
Hello.
Yes, Miss, we're hearing you now. Miss, your mic is muted again.
All right, Peter.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What's this there? Is that the plastic? What's that? Oh. Oh. Peter.
How many things you go at it? Okay?
You're disrupting my class.
No, but how many things you go at it? Ping, ping, and they finish. And you come out there, Anthony, and they finish.
Come bother.
And you come out there, Anthony, ping, ping. One day I can't, he was about less than 1 minute. About
Did you put any sauce on this?
Yeah.
Peter.
Yes, miss.
So what I'm saying is, since you can't share, would you be able to share? You don't have any phones, so you would be able to share your. Yeah. So you would be able to share. So let me just wait until Marlon or Dejanoe who is finished.
Mr. don't, I didn't enlarge, Mr. Just dry.
Okay, so go ahead and enlarge it, or go show us what you're doing.
Dejanoe, take over for a sec for me.
It's just so low.
Anyone heard what me said? Oh, Marlon or Peter, anybody did hear what me say?
Oh,
You did hear what me say?
was low.
Mr. Safe take over.
Huh?
Mr. Safe take over.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna share screen. Alright, yo, when I see it.
Yeah, was.
Yeah.
Right. Marlon, you can annotate.
My primary, we can use good. Can annotate the primary.
May I go do it. May I go try it on the good.
Annotate.
I'm annotating it. Hold on.
I think, all right, that's looking good so far. Nice.
Is that was sent there? Is accounted by 2 boxes. Each.
Awesome. Yes. There you go, my darling. Who's doing that? Is that Dejanoe?
Yes,
Or
miss.
Marlon?
Mrs. Dejanoe.
Beautiful. Well done, my darling.
No, like sit down.
Hello. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Thank you. I ordered 2 salads, one for high.
Why do you want remote control over my screen saver? Yeah, we can move on to the next question. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Jaja. So this
Zoom it
one,
up a little more. Zoom it up.
zoom it. I can't zoom it any more than how it is now. Is that alright?
I forget my glasses.
Bro.
It's about
Is that a scale factor of 3 combination?
Yeah.
Excellent job thus far, Dejanoe, Marlon, and Peter. Thank you for meeting me, Dejanoe. I can tell that you're going to be a great leader in the future. All three of you. All right, so continue working. Dejanoe, if you could zoom in a bit more because it's a little bit fine on my end, and I guess it would be the same for the persons on YouTube. So if you can zoom in a bit, then that would work.
Miss, it's on the laptop, so I can't zoom in anymore. I'm going to try and put my phone on here and then do it on the phone.
Okay. But what you could do on your laptop, are you showing it as a picture on your laptop? Whose work is that?
No, Miss. That's why
Work is
I
that
can't
now?
zoom in anymore.
Whose work is that I was just seeing?
It's Marlon.
My miss.
Oh, nice. Let me see that now. So Marlon, why is it you decided to do the enlargement in the diagram?
Miss, I didn't know. Miss, I didn't expect it to
Okay,
be
what was the scale factor? Let me see.
3, miss.
3, 1, 2, 3. See if you can bring your phone up so I can see both diagrams at the same time. Okay. So yeah, perfect. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But the only problem I have is you need to rub that out and use a ruler to draw that. I don't understand how you be in my class freehanding things.
Miss, the ruler was right over the other room, so I just.
Yeah, please go over the other room for the ruler for me, please. That's the first thing I ask you to do, to ensure that you're using a ruler or a straight edge to draw your diagram.
Okay.
But I want to see this very same one drawn with a ruler. So you're being punished for not drawing it with a ruler in the first place. Dejanoe,
Yes, Miss.
please make sure your classmates maintain the standard.
Yes, Miss.
All right, go ahead and share the question again, Dejanoe. Oh, you're still sharing. Okay, good. Yeah, I see it now. Sorry. Wait another 2 minutes, Dejanoe, and then move on to the next question. We're going to do one more question after. And then you get to go off to school at 7:06.
Miss punishment.
Everybody see?
Put your phone on landscape. Or landscape your phone.
This is I'm not using it.
Okay, that looks a little better. Thank you, honey.
Not good. Enlargement.
Everybody seeing this?
Yeah, it looks about right. I can move on to the next question now. Marlon, Peter. Ready for the next question?
Yeah, ready. Yeah, ready.
All right.
That man is saying so ready.
Yeah, and I see, right?
Yeah.
So this enlarging it by factors of 2. I'm not sure. Yeah, anybody have an idea of how this would be done? Like Marlon specifically?
You gotta draw the shape, enlarge the triangle by 2 and the letter A by 2. So just count 2 boxes and just write the A. A big A within the 2 boxes. That's it.
Nah, but like,
So again, with that explanation, Peter.
Yes, I was saying, they were saying, oh, it said undergrade draw and enlargement of shape A with a scale factor. So I said, miss, you draw the shape of the triangle, miss, count 2 centimeters or 2 boxes. You draw the triangle onto the 2 boxes. Then you're going to write in the middle of it like 2 boxes for the A, miss.
I don't think I think I hear what you're saying, but I don't think I understand clearly. So go one more time for me again, so I can respond properly.
Okay, miss. He said undergrade draw an enlargement of shape A with a scale factor of 2. So,
Mhm.
so we're going to count 2 boxes ahead of the triangle that we have here now. We're going to draw
Mhm.
an enlarged triangle, miss, and an enlarged A, miss, in the middle, miss.
The letter A doesn't necessarily have to be bigger. You understand? It just to say that this is triangle A. So you don't have to, when you're labeling it, you don't have to make the letter bigger. You understand? But the shape itself would be bigger, right? So we're going to enlarge it. And when they say a scale factor of 2, that means that we're going to increase each side. We're going to double each side. If they
By
say
2,
an
miss.
enlargement of 3, of a scale factor of 3, that means we're going to triple each side. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, miss.
So do the base for me first. Dejana, do the base for me. Let me see the base happening and let me see what the base would look like. So presently, it's 4 squares at the base. If we double it, so scale factor of 2 mean we're doubling the base. We're doubling
do
the
it on
other
the screen?
side. Yeah, do it.
Okay, miss.
All right, give me a second to change my AirPods.
Nah, why me not see option for annotate?
Where are you?
You have to give us permission, teacher.
Yeah, but me not like the option
What?
whether they're not even for me.
Dejanoe,
Yes, miss.
mute the other device. Mute it. Dejanoe,
Yes, miss.
mute the other one. Turn the camera off. Don't even know if I changed the price. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna do the enlargement. Show me the question again. Who had the question on screen, Dejanoe?
Yes, I had the question on screen.
So why am I not seeing it?
Yes, I'm going to put it back up.
All right, go ahead and do that for me now.
It's still not showing me the option to annotate or even to change the options. I don't see annotate options here.
Why?
I'm not sure.
Linda.
Anybody
Miss
see me?
Peter showing you his work. Yeah, yes.
Is that pinned to the screen? Hold on. Who was showing the work just now?
You miss.
Oh, let me see it again. All right, it's time for you to go. Where's the ruler that you used to draw this, Peter? So why the lines look so? Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it should go straight out. You see at the crease out there, let me show you where I'm talking. Oh, I don't have that. But at the crease, it needs to go straight out. Go out with your finger to the right. Right? To the end at the right. Hold on.
Mr. Coleman.
I'm not seeing a finger. Where's the finger? Go out to your right, go out some more, go down. Yes, that needs to be go straight out to the end. Let me see Marlon's own. I got to go now. Let me see Marlon's own. Hurry up, Marlon.
Here to
I'm not seeing it. Hold on. Pin it to the screen.
pin it to the screen.
All right, let me see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely amazing. Hold your camera out a little bit so we can see the full view. All right, persons, you can take a screenshot of this because that's the answer. Dejanoe, tell everybody bye-bye and close off class. Have a good day, all. Be good. Listen to me, and I'm not here, though. You see
All
it
right,
here?
I see that.
You see it, Marlon?
All right, class, I've reached the end of class, yeah, and you can get ready for your school now.
I know PUBG.
She never brushing the teeth. Never hear the man for PUBG. Alright, so
That was
yeah,
that.
I'm going to end it now. Bye guys.